Happy morning, my dear students. Again, welcome to the active maths. Okay, now what I will take today, the questions from exercise 6.2, question number 7 of exercise 6.2, similar triangles. See question number 7. Using the theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side and bisect the third side. It means the midpoint theorem which you have done in class 9th. And now this you have to prove in class 10th with the help of Thales theorem. ABC is a triangle, ABC is a triangle, and D is parallel to BC and D is half of BC. It means this is the midpoint theorem which you have studied in class 9th. So now we have to prove by the Thales theorem that if you draw a line through the midpoint, D is the midpoint of AB, is parallel to third side and half of it. It means you have to show that E is the midpoint of AC by the Thales theorem. What you have studied in the midpoint theorem last year? The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. But now you have to prove it by the Thales theorem. Let us see. By Thales theorem, what do you know? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is known by the Thales theorem. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. But what you have to show? You have to show that E is the midpoint of AC. Let us see how. You have to show that E is the midpoint of this. You have to show E is the midpoint of AC. Let us see. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. But D is the midpoint of AB. It means AD is equal to DB. So you can write AD is equal to DB. So in place of AD you can put here DB. It means DB upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. DB cancel. So 1 is equal to AE upon EC. So therefore you can say EC is equal to AE. If EC is equal to AE, it means E is the midpoint of AC. This you wanted to prove, that E is the midpoint of AC. This is question number 7 of exercise 6.2. Now question number 8. In question number 8, prove that a line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. You have to show that D is parallel to BC. To prove that D parallel to BC, this you have to show. D parallel to BC. Let us see. D is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of AC. What you have to show? To prove that D is parallel to BC. Now see. D is the midpoint of AB. It means AD is equal to DB. First, all of you know very well, you will write, given that a triangle ABC, that you can write yourself, given a triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoints. This you can write yourself. Again, I want to tell you, ABC is a triangle. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. You have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Now, D is the midpoint of AB. It means AD equal to DB. AD is equal to DB. It means AD upon DB is equal to 1. You can write. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC. So you can write AE is equal to EC. It means AE upon EC is equal to 1. So this is number 1. This is number 2. So 1 is equal to AD upon DB and 1 is equal to AE upon EC. तो ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है, तो ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल हो गए. इट मीन्स AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन EC. और जब AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन EC हो गया, इट मीन DE इज पैरेलल टू BC. बट हाउ? बाय द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ BPT थ्योरम और द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ थेल्स थ्योरम. इट मीन्स यदि ये रेशियो आपस में इक्वल है, इट मीन्स इफ AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन EC है, तो लाइन इज पैरेलल. इट मीन DE इज पैरेलल टू BC बाय द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ BPT थ्योरम. बिकॉज AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन EC. तो जब इन दोनों का रेशियो आपस में इक्वल हो गया, इट मीन DE इज पैरेलल टू BC. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question 9. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. To prove that AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. Okay. What you have to prove here? ABCD is a trapezium. You have to show that AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. Again, I want to tell you, ABCD is a trapezium. You have to show that AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. Let us see how to prove. First, you draw a line. First, you draw a line PO parallel to DC. First, you draw a line PO. This is construction. First, you draw a line PO parallel to DC. Construction. Draw a line PO parallel to DC. Now, what you have to show? AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. Let us see how to prove. Proof. In triangle ADO, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, again see, in triangle ADB, by BPT theorem you can write AP in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB by BPT theorem or Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, you can say AP upon PD, AP upon PD is equal to OB upon OD. By basic proportionality theorem, you can tell AP upon PD is equal to OB upon OD. This is first condition. And in second condition, in triangle this. Again I am telling you, in this triangle ADC, this triangle, again by the BPT theorem, PO is parallel to DC. So you can write in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OC. AP upon PD is equal to AO upon OC. इसको नंबर 2 दे दो. अब ये AP upon PD है, ये भी AP upon PD है, तो ये दोनों when left hand side is equal, तो right hand side is also equal. It means you can write, or here you can say, just write here, no problem. OB upon OD, OB upon OD is equal to OA upon OC. Okay, so you can transfer OB here, so OA upon OB is equal to OC upon OD. This you have to prove. ये तो आपको शो करना था. You can transfer, now you can write OA upon OA, transfer OB here. OA upon OB is equal to OC, transfer OC here upon OD. So OA upon OB is equal to OC upon OD. It is very simple now. I hope that this is clear to you. Again I want to tell you, in this triangle, this is A, you can apply, first you can take this triangle. So AP upon PD is equal to OB upon OD. That I have written here. Now in this triangle, AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OD. These two conditions you got. It means from 1 and 2. OB upon OD is equal to OA upon OC. Transfer OB here. So OA upon OB is equal to OC upon OD. Clear to you? Okay, very good. Now next question, last question of this exercise. Now question number 10. ABCD is a trapezium. It is given that A upon BO is equal to, and you have to show that, आपको ये शो करना है, to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. What you have to show? You have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. और ये आपको given है AO upon BO is equal to OC upon OD. To prove that ABCD is a trapezium, let us see. Construction. Draw a line PO parallel to DC. Draw a line PO parallel to DC. Okay, again I am telling you the construction. Draw a line PO parallel to DC. Okay, now apply the Thales theorem in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, let us see, AP upon PD. AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OC. OA upon OC. AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OC. और OC upon OD. See, OC upon OD is equal to OA upon OB. And in triangle ADC, AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OC. This is number 1. Okay. Now take in this triangle. Okay. In triangle ADB, In triangle ADB, you can write AP in triangle ADB AP upon PD, AP upon PD is equal to OB upon OD. Okay? OB upon OD. OB upon OD. AP upon PD is equal to OA upon OA. AP this upon PD is equal to OB upon OD. Now what you have to show? You have to show that this side AB is parallel to DC. यदि AB DC के parallel हो जाए, it means ABCD is a trapezium. Now let us see AP upon PD. AP upon PD. Now you want here OA upon OC. OA upon OC. तो OA upon OC हो गया. OA upon OC जो है OA. You can write here OA upon OC. OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. और OB upon OD देखो ये नंबर 2. OB upon OD किसके इक्वल है? AP upon PD के. OB upon OD OA upon OC के इक्वल है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? AP, it means AP upon PD, AP upon PD, AP upon PD is equal to AO upon OC. इसका मतलब हुआ PO is parallel to DC. PO is parallel to DC and PO is parallel to AB. PO is parallel to AB and PO is parallel to DC. It means I want to explain you one thing. If X is parallel to Y and Y is parallel to Z, it means what is the relation between these two? Y is parallel to Z. It means when PO is parallel to DC, PO is parallel to DC and PO is parallel to AB, it means AB parallel to DC. तो जब AB आपका parallel हो गया DC के, it means ABCD is a trapezium. Okay? Because AP upon PD is equal to AO upon OC. It means PO is parallel to DC. And how can you say that PO is parallel to DC? By the converse of BPT theorem. क्योंकि यदि ये रेशो आपस में इक्वल हो गया AP अपॉन PD इज इक्वल टू AO अपॉन OC, तो PO है पैरेलल टू DC हो गया. और इस केस में आपने क्या किया है कि दिस अपॉन दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. इट मीन AP अपॉन PD इज इक्वल टू AP अपॉन PD इज इक्वल टू OB अपॉन OD. इट मीन्स PO इज पैरेलल टू AB बाय द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ BPT थ्योरम. इट मीन्स PO इज पैरेलल टू AB. और पहले हम कंस्ट्रक्शन में कर चुके हैं कि PO is parallel to DC. It means AB is parallel to DC. और जहां AB is parallel to DC हो गया, it means ABCD is a trapezium. I hope this is clear to you. Now have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you and have a nice day. And in my next lecture, you will get the questions of exercise 6.3. Thank you.